Good morning, dear crafters. We are going to see it's okay and the right angle here. So you're welcome to my channel, crazyladyspaper. I have some free sheets to share with you. They will be uploaded to Coffee. So here we go. A little big flowers, and you have this as well as a background. And here we have in pink, or no, lilac. Beautiful small flowers with a shadow. Over here I'm playing with a different style to make some beautiful. And here we have in green, and we have the background as well. And here we have salmon, a little fade, and you have the background. And here you have blue with a big bucket, butterflies. And there we have the background. And here is a white, you can say, with a bouquet with flowers, and the same over there. I was thinking, if you have a journal, you can have it, you can print it out in a thicker paper as 200 GSM, so you can have it as a cover. We see, I have some, here we have, and I have a journal. It's not ready yet, but if you have this as a cover, you see you have the as a traveler's notebooks style. So we cut it off over there as well, and we are taking off the whites. You can keep the whites if you want to. So here we go. Now we have this one, and we take it off in the folded here in the middle, and here you can have it as a cover if you like. Yep. And you can have it as a middle, so you can see the beauty. Let's see. We are folding it. So, voila. If you want to keep the middle untouched, there's many opportunities you can do that with the middle. So, see you soon again. Thank you for watching. Bye.